Multiplication of complex numbers in polar form. So we want to multiply these two complex numbers here. Both are in polar form. So it's a very easy process. We look at the r in each one of them, always remembering that we have r theta for our polar form. So the r in the first one is 3 and in the second one is 0.2. It's that length, that segment we have seen in the Argand diagram from the origin to the point that we see in the Argand diagram. So anyway, what we do here is if we want to multiply these two complex numbers, we are going to multiply these two r's. So 3 times 0.2. That's going to be our new modulus, our new r. Now what we do with the arguments or the angles, we don't multiply. The sister operation here, just think about indices in a similar way. So instead of multiplication, we are going to add. We're going to do addition with those two. So the r's are multiplied. So we get here 3 times 0.2, we get 0.6. And the thetas are added together. So 0.2 pi plus 0.7 pi gives us 0.9 pi. So as simple as that, we multiplied the r's to get 0.6 and we added the thetas to get 0.9 pi, and this is the product of those two complex numbers in polar form. Let's look at division now. Same thing, if we are dividing complex numbers in polar form, so let's divide these two here. So they are both in polar form. So we're going to do as we did before, we stick with the operation. We divide the r's, so 2 divided by 3, which we could even write as a fraction, 2 over 3. So this will be our new r, our new modulus. And then for the argument or the angles, we have 60 degrees and 50 degrees. Sister operation for division. Think about to associate with something, indices. So division, we're going to talk about subtraction. So we'll do 60 degrees, take away 50 degrees. So 2/3, we could leave it like that, or we could write it in decimal form. Let's round it to 2 decimal places. So 0.67 and 60 degrees minus 50 degrees gives us 10 degrees. So this is the quotient, the answer to the division of two complex numbers, these two here, in polar form. What we did was we divided the r's and we subtracted the arguments, the thetas.